In this video, I'm going to show you how to make slowed and reverb songs in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up CapCut, and then you want to put in a song you would like to make slowed and reverbed. So the first thing you want to do is basically, once you've put it in the timeline over here, you want to select it by clicking on it, and I will just play this song really quickly for you so you can hear what it sounds without the slowness and the reverb. So that's it. Okay, so you get the point. Now we're gonna make it slow and then reverb as well. So the first thing you want to do is go up top where it says speed, so top right. You want to click on speed, and you want to make this from 1 to like 0.7 or 0.8, somewhere around there usually sounds good. So as you can see, this is now extended, and if I now play this, there we go, it's a bit different because it's slower. You can also click on keep pitch, which will also change it, and if you like the sound of it, you can just leave this on, but if you don't, you can just keep it disabled. So it sounds like this now. In my opinion, that sounds quite good, so I'll just leave that on. Now, the second thing we're gonna do is gonna be the reverb, okay? And the way you do this is you actually wanna go over here inside the voice changer, and you wanna look under voice filters, scroll down until you see an effect, which is called mic hog. So you have to find it somewhere. As you can see, it's over here towards the bottom where it says mic hog. You wanna click on that, and immediately it's going to start playing. What you want to do is room size, you want to make it about 70 or 75, somewhere around there, so you can just adjust according to your needs. And then strength should be like around 30 to 25, so somewhere between those numbers. You can select, of course, whatever you want, and you can listen to it and hear if that's what you want to have, or if you want to change it basically over here via these two filters. So if I now play this song, which has been slowed and reverbed, it sounds like this. Okay, so in my opinion, that sounds quite good. Of course, for you, you may apply different filters, different room size, strength, and different speed if you want to. You can keep this on or off, as I said, and then you're pretty much ready to go. So that's pretty much it. If you want to try CapCut Pro for yourself, there's a link down below in the description, as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up to CapCut Pro using my link, you will get a discount, so make sure you check that out in case you are interested. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.